Hello ma'am, good day. I'm Evo John Axel from Visa One City, and the topic I choose from the audio that you sent to our GC was the worst habit for your brain or to our brain. Because our brain are the most complex and powerful organs that responsible for everything. Example, our thoughts, emotion, also our movement, and our senses. However, not all of our habits are good for us, for to our brain functions. In fact, there are several habits that can be particularly harmful to our brain, that leading us to a negative outcomes to our mental health problems. Example, constant multitasking. What is constant multitasking? When we are jumping between different tasks, um, was lead us to a lack of sustained concentration and can prevent us from completing the task efficiently and time frame. As when you are jumping between different tasks, often lead us lack of a sustained concentration. When we take on multiple activities at once, our brain our brain struggles to keep up with the demands of as if we focus only on one task at a time. We also risk not fully understand potentially important tasks due to not being able to allow to ourselves enough time or energy towards each task. However, the most of constant multitasking can cause a significant amount of stress, can be because we don't complete most of our tasks as early as well as if we given them all of our attention. This bad habit can take of our mental and physical health by creating feeling and inability to unrelenting stress or pressure when constantly trying to succeed into a many things at once, rather than leaves you feeling good about every accomplishment. Constant multitasking zaps your motivation when it comes time for you to conquer for your next or for our next goal. And that's for today, and thank you so much, ma'am.